Hey guys, Ty with Cincy Diesel Repair. Welcome back to the channel. I haven't made a post or video in a long time. To be honest with you, I kind of gave up on it, but I was notified yesterday that I hit 1,000 subscribers, which isn't a big deal in the YouTube world, but to me it was a pretty big deal because I only made a few videos to try to help you guys out. I knew I wasn't going to make any money off this stuff. You got to get way up there in the numbers to make money. My goal was to make some videos to help you guys out on your power strokes and diesels in general, to give you guys a way out of the dealership. Of course, you know, any diesel shop's expensive, but with those 1,000 subscribers, it kind of got me thinking. And but to be honest with you, here comes. To be honest with you, it's not easy. This stuff's not my kind of thing. I like making the videos and sharing the content, but I don't like the editing. I'm not a computer person, so yeah, it's hard for me, and it's my time. I'm not going to get up there in the numbers, I don't think, to really make any money off this stuff. So what I want to know after 1,000 subscribers, my question is, what do you guys want to see? Comment below and let me know. I mean, my videos have always been primarily intro. We go into the truck, I tell you how to fix it, we go over stuff, and that's it. Do we want to get a little more in depth? Because I've got plenty of stuff here going on. You know, that's a gasser, that's my service truck, but I've got all kinds of stuff. I'll show you guys. For instance, in my old house, I'm trying to get rid of my land out here. I don't have a garage, and I don't do this every day, 40 hours. This is side work. I used to do it full time. I don't anymore. I'm a bus mechanic. You know, man needs good benefits and retirement, so I do this on the side. But you know, I got things like this girl right here, my 1978 track loader, Cat 955. Show you guys a few things that I got on a daily basis I deal with. So this is my old track loader. I've got quite a bit of land here at my house. If you hear music in the background, that's a high school football stadium. You know, like I said, I don't have any garage. I've been doing this stuff in the driveway, service calls for years. But yeah, I mean, I do some excavating. This thing here, I got to get it going and do some service to it. My old Avalanche here needs an axle bearing and an alternator, and so, you know, it's down right now. This is a side job right now, Glow Plugs 06 6 liter, of course, Amarillo edition, one of the ugliest things they ever built. This thing's been sitting here forever. It's a gasser. Rebuilt the transmission in it. They didn't want to buy some parts for it. This is a whole nother thing here. These are somebody else's vehicles. My ambulance service truck, my personal daily driver truck, my old pulling trucks up there. I got my son's four-wheeler that we're tearing into. I mean, look at my house. And I'm trying to get out of here. I'm trying to move. So the everyday life of stuff I got going on isn't always diesel. This is the same guy that owns the dump truck and stuff. Sitting on my trailer is his trailer that I need to pressure wash. You can hook up a sandblaster to a pressure washer. I'm going to do that and fix it up, rewire it, and everything like that. But yeah, I mean, I'm just like everybody else. My old 97 12 valve sitting here. I hope to get on the concrete here soon. I might sell it, I'm not sure. Pretty sentimental truck, 150 some thousand miles on it. Yeah, it's still a good truck. But so yeah, guys, just just comment below. Let me know what you guys want to see. Do you want me to stick to doing this stuff? Just show you how to get it fixed, how to get it torn open and fixed and done? Or do you want a little more insight into all kinds of stuff? Yeah, I'm telling you right now, 6-liter glow plugs, boom, fender well out and glow plugs out. I literally came home from taking my son to the doctor for a little follow-up or a physical, and I've been out here just a few minutes and I already got them out. Harness is out, plugs are out. I do the harness with the plugs. We're gonna give this truck a good look over for the guy. So then after this, I got one coming in with a Y pipe busted. I mean, the outside of these are ugly, but the inside are pretty. Nice looking truck. 210,000. Nice looking truck. So again, comment below and let me know what you guys want to see. Do you want to see, a little bit of everything I got going on in my everyday life, or do you just want me to stick to the diesel only, tear it apart, this is how you do it, and back together videos? I don't know if I'm going to keep doing videos or not. I mean, it's a pain in the ass, I'm not going to lie. And I don't plan on making money. I never thought I'd get to 1,000 subscribers, but so I want to see what you guys say. That'll depend on whether I keep doing this or not. So I appreciate y'all. I appreciate your support. Thank you.